The irrigation system kept watering one small square of ground that did not appear on any burial map. At St. Alder Cemetery, water restrictions had forced the grounds crew to run the sprinklers in narrow, timed sections just before dawn. The schedule was digital, the valves were numbered, and every zone was accounted for on the maintenance map. Yet 3 nights in a row, one extra sprinkler head activated near the back fence after the programmed cycle had already ended. By sunrise, the surrounding grass was dry, but a perfect dark square remained wet enough to sink a boot heel into. The grounds supervisor first blamed a wiring fault or pressure bleed in the line. Electricians replaced the controller, checked the valves, and found no zone assigned to that patch at all. A week later, an archive volunteer compared the current grounds map to an older survey from 1962. In the same location, the older map showed a penciled rectangle with no name and no plot number. Only a notation that had been partly erased. On the next overnight check, a groundskeeper stood near the fence and listened for the hiss of water. The system stayed silent. Then the dark square ahead of him began to glisten anyway, as if the ground beneath it were already wet and rising to meet the surface.